Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel today. We have some important updates on the COVID situation in the southern Indian state of Kerala, where there has been an increase in COVID cases due to the detection of a new subvariant called. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest news and updates. The state of Kerala has asked its residents to stay cautious but not to panic, as COVID cases have been on the rise recently, following the detection of the subvariant of COVID-19. Kerala, located in southern India, has seen an uptick in COVID cases after the discovery of the subvariant. This subvariant had been previously identified in several countries, including the United States and China. However, the World Health Organization (WHO) reassures that all approved COVID-19 vaccines will continue to provide protection against. Currently, Kerala has reported 1,324 active COVID-19 cases and 4 deaths from the disease. Health officials attribute this increase to the state's high testing rate. However, it's worth noting that it's unclear how many of these cases are directly related to the subvariant, as only a small number of samples are routinely genome sequenced to track different virus variants. Kerala State Health Minister, Veena George, has emphasized that there is no need to worry and the situation is under control. She also mentioned that the subvariant had already been detected in other parts of India and it's not an entirely new development. Kerala's neighboring states, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, are closely monitoring the situation and the rising COVID cases in the state. On a broader scale, India's Federal Health Ministry has been conducting mock drills in hospitals across various states to assess their preparedness for handling a sudden surge in COVID cases. However, it's important to note that these drills have not been specifically attributed to the subvariant. The Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, has acknowledged the rise in COVID cases in Kerala. Rajiv Bal, the Director General of the ICMR, mentioned that the increase in COVID cases in Kerala is linked to an uptick in testing of samples from influenza-like illness (ILI) cases. In conclusion, while Kerala is experiencing an increase in COVID cases due to the subvariant, health authorities are urging residents not to panic. The situation is being closely monitored, and vaccines remain effective against this new subvariant. That's all for today's update on the COVID situation in Kerala. Stay safe, stay informed, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more news and features. Thank you for watching.